Hello, this is Team 19 and I am Aditya Soni from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Hello everyone, I am myself Gopal. I am from Hisar, Haryana.
Hello everyone, I am Abjeet Singh and I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Hello everyone, I am Chirag Ghosh. I am from Jaleswar, Odisha.
Now I am going to explain the Node-RED dashboard and its user interface through which we are using through which we are virtually operating the appliances. The yellow palette visible in the screen are the Nora extensions which we are using. Now the palette name light is connected to switch F, which in turn is connected to pin 9 of Arduino, and then another palette name light status. This LED turns green in the user interface when appliances is in on condition. Similarly, the other yellow palette named switch is connected to switch Y, which in turn connected to pin 12 of Arduino, and then another palette named as switch status. So this is our Node-RED dashboard, and this is our user interface. Thank you.
I am going to briefly explain the standard formatter code which we are using for this project. The standard formatter code enables smooth integration of Node-RED software with the Arduino board. Formatter is a generic protocol for communicating with microcontrollers from software on a host computer. It is intended to work with any host computer software package, which for this case is Node-RED server. Now coming to the use of Nora server for this project. As we mentioned in the previous week, we are using Smart Nora, which is an updated version of Nora software and can handle a server load of about 10,000 users. With Smart Nora, we can now integrate our Node-RED home automation flows with Google Home via Google Assistant. Thank you.
Now, I will explain the use of Google Home mobile application, which will enable virtual operation of the home appliances using voice control and virtual switches as well. The voice control will involve use of Google Assistant, and virtual switches can be operated through the touch screen of the mobile phone. Another interesting feature which I would like to mention is that this virtual operation can take place irrespective of any distance constraints. Even though we are in different states, we can virtually operate these appliances. Additionally, the Google Assistant can understand Hindi as well as English. So these are the features which the mobile application is providing, and you will understand all these features better when we show a video demonstration of the same product. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. I am Chirag Ghosh and I am going to explain the hardware part of the project of Team 19. As you can see, USB wire has been coming from my laptop to the Arduino Uno board present here. From here, some wires have been connected to the breadboard, which have been connected to the relay module. Okay, there is less light, so let us switch on the light of our own project. Now as you can see, you can clearly see the hardware present. So from this Arduino board, the 5-volt pin and the ground pin have been connected to the breadboard. From breadboard it has been connected to the VCC pin and the ground pin of the relay module present here. Then the pin 9 and pin 12 wires have been connected to the breadboard, and from the breadboard they have been connected to the input 1 and input 2 of the relay module. I am getting the 220 volt main supply from this switch. This has been connected, the phase part has been directly connected to this light and the board present there, and the neutral part has been connected to the relay module, and from the normally off part of the relay module I have connected the wires to the bulb and to the switch present here. Now when we turn on the light and as well as the switches from the Node-RED dashboard present here, we can switch on off this particular light and this board. In this board there is a all out and also the mobile charger present here, from where we can charge the mobile phone.
So this is the video demonstration of how our hardware and software are working in good synchronization with each other.
Turn switch on.
Alright, turning the switch on.
लाइट ऑफ कर दो.
Now I am manually turning off
So as you can see, this is the video demonstration of the working project. This is Team 19 signing off. Thank you.